Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine and today we continue. I forgot I have hair ties that bother me. Today we are back with another decluttering Petite closet video. Now we are going to do the tops and things like that. Let me know if you want another video, because I think next we will do then spring to summer or winter to spring / summer closet, and probably I will declutter really strongly before we enter the new season. I have here some summer clothes just put away, and I think in some box as well. I'm not sure, I need to check it. So let me know if you want that. Also, if you don't like the light, you don't like my cluttered small apartment, then you can go over all the fake white and black influencers that we can't relate to. You're welcome. You can support them, then cry about them, as a lot of people do. But if you are here to support small and natural and real creators, then you are on the right channel and you can like and subscribe. And I'm happy you are here, and I am happy you understand what's real and what's not. Because here we are living in small apartments when we have to make it work in this life where we work, but we can't afford nice light houses. One day though, one day. Let's start the video. I have put outside button-ups and shirts that I have. I love button-ups like that. You can wear it as a beach cover-up. You can wear it to camping when you're just it's kind of good weather, but then it gets chilly towards the evening. You want to put something on when you're hiking. Just dress up on the dress, wherever. I'm searching for a really good quality white shirt. I'm just keeping it until I get one, because this has already gotten kind of yellowish. But I'm keeping it in case I need it until I find a new one. So that's on my wish list. And then I think I have these for literally, I don't know how many years. 10 years. I have these for 10 years. And I just really, they are good. All the things, they're from New York, I think, both of them. They are too big, but these are okay to be too big, oversized, you know. I was so sure I'm going to get rid of them. Oh, one is from Pimki. One's from Pimki and the other one is from New Yorker. Oh no, from Villa. I didn't know it. Pimki and Villa. I think it's time to get rid of them, just because they are too big. They are very, very, very old, and you can kind of see it if you really take a good look at them. Material, you know, it's like this synthetic material. I have this from Amazon though, and this I love, love, love. I think that's a great basic. And then the white one is from ASOS. Okay, I'll leave it away for now, but I really need to shop for one good white shirt. And then I have these ones. I think I talked about the blazers already, but I have the black one. This one's totally not a good quality. The sleeves fit, which is nice for petites, obviously. It looks elegant and luxurious, and it actually feels soft. It's not too bad. Maybe I should keep this one for now. It's not bad, and even the buttons, you know, usually they really open up. This one's good, and I think without t-shirt it will be even better. It's just too much, you know, clothing. Sometimes you have too much clothing and then you don't even wear all of it, and it's still confusing. It's difficult to choose your outfit. And the white one, I hope I buy a nice new one. Let's go to the basic type of top. Let's start. I think it's from Brabic. It doesn't say anything. Amazing, amazing. If you're into bodysuits, but bodysuits sometimes can be really just not comfortable without the buttons, all the things. Then you need fitted tops like this. These are shapier tops. Amazing. I tried to find it though, because I wanted to buy in other colors and I can't find it anymore. This is from Stradivarius. I bought it a few years ago, and I still love it so much. I might wear it today actually, maybe with these jeans. This from Style V, another fitted zip up kind of top that you can turn into a turtleneck. Really, really nice. A lot of these things I will keep. I think I have already thrown away a lot. This is just fun top when you want to dress up some jeans, some basic outfits. This is really, really nice with the ruffles and stuff. From Yes Style. And then I have this cropped one that I also use from time to time with a small cut. This is a nice crop top, especially with high-waisted, high-rise jeans or anything. I love it, you know, it's a longer cropped, not a bra type of cropped. Those I think all of them I have thrown away already because I don't like them. Then a casual turtleneck, and then this kind of transparent top that I like to wear either with just a nice bra underneath or some tank top, black tank top. Then I have this new from H&M Kids, by the way, this new crochet pink lovely top. If you, some of the links I forget to share and you're interested, let me know please, okay? Then the white turtleneck, I don't know what it's from. I should like buy new Stradivarius, buy new turtlenecks, because some of them has, from all the washing and years, they just has really like, they're too loose, you know, doesn't fit properly. Then I have this from Shein, like long sleeve, just random red one. This one is another turtleneck, I think again from Stradivarius or Pimki, I don't remember. Stradivarius. I just love turtlenecks. I used to hate them so much, and now I kind of love it for like cold weather. And like this one, this I love even more because the turtleneck is like small with ruffles. It's like really neat, really luxurious looking. This is from Yes Style. It has like a soft inside, very nice. Then I have some normal tees only. Really suggest looking to only. It's something similar to Vera Moda, Villa clothing. A really nice, good quality tops. They're more expensive. I usually don't spend so much on tops like that, but they are good quality. Vera Moda. This is a nice like going out kind of highlighting top. Then I have normal like kind of just t-shirts I bought in my country. This is also I think Vera Moda or Villa. I have forgotten about this one. This one is a really nice one as well. This is nude bra. It's like transparent. Between nude bra, you can't even see and understand it. It's transparent. You don't see anything. Really nice. These ones again are from this one. I think this might be the best quality shirt that I have, again from Only. Really good quality top. Another one in green. I just really wanted to invest into basics last year when I saw them. Then I have, okay, this I'm not going to show. It's like a work t-shirt. Basic tops that I usually wear around home. Bunny Mom. All these things I'm just not going to share. It's nothing really. Then I have the Petite merch. Yes, I created merch for Petite, if you can relate to. Part of it goes towards animal rescue. Oh, this one isn't dirty, so I need to... Off it goes to the laundry. Basic black shirt from Amazon. A Metallica shirt, can't really miss that. I think we're not going to really throw out anything. Maybe the turtleneck, the brown turtleneck, as I have one similar, and it's really not the most flattering one, so maybe that one. And then next year I should like buy some new one. Random t-shirts, again another Petite merch with Petite Queen. Random t-shirts, another Petite merch with Petite and So What. I got almost in trouble because of this shirt, because a brand in France, I'm not surprised, like French people, I love France, I love French people, but sometimes they can be a lot. So this brand, French brand, are like, we have a slogan, Petite and So What, so you copy it from us. And I'm like, there's so many slogans that we say all the time, everything and everyone. Oh, this is a really nice bodysuit for date night. Love it, with the jeans, with like black jeans, the ones that I wear. I wore it once to the movie. And then I have another bodysuit that I'm kind of scared to wear it. I don't know, it used to fit me like nicely, I guess when I was a little bit thinner, I don't know. Because now it's just, I feel so like dying. But it is a nice bodysuit. And remember what's, I think Shaper X brand. And I have this nice top from Stradivarius. This I wear over, again, like fitted black tops, just to like really elevate. Like simple tops like this really elevate your whole look. Then I have a casual crop top and this pink bodysuit that I love from Shein with my pink new jeans. Oh, now, by the way, if you haven't checked out, check my last videos out. They are really nice for Petite, so useful. One is from H&M Kids. I'm reviewing that section and if it fits like short women, and the other one is about jeans. I needed to hunt for some good Petite jeans, and amazing what I discovered, amazing. And this is my favorite Zara's tank top. I have it in many colors. I think it's in the summer section. I haven't forgot that I have it, like a lot of shapewear from Shaper X. I just put it here because I don't really wear so much like shapewear. Maybe someday I'm invited to like fashion week or like red carpet or something. These are all my tops. Yes, I do think that I might get rid of this one. I thought it's like it doesn't just look nice anymore. and I wear it mostly around the house because of that, you know. But at the same time, especially if you're sick, feeling bad, want a cozy fit for house, this is a nice one. Okay girls, it took me way too long to fold it. I don't have so much clothing, but it took like 20 minutes to fold it. And yeah, I put this top on because it's like, we have now in Spain, at least where I live, like it's warm weather, it changes every single day, but these last days we have really cold wind, like really cold wind. You have no idea the wind that we have in this region. It's like super popular that it has its own name. And because of that, I kind of want to, there's like warm, but at the same time not too much. Like I don't want to put like hoodies or anything, because if you are somewhere where there's no wind, you get super hot. So something like this I think is perfect. It's like long sleeve, but it's not like a jumper or stuff. And so, what's the result? As I have mentioned before my decluttering videos, I'm not going to get rid of a lot of things. Don't think that I'm going to get rid of a lot, because I actually do keep my closet really clean in general, and I don't buy a lot of stuff. I really, like, again, we are not like the big influencers here. I'm the small influencer, and well, I'm not even an influencer. I'm a Petite fashion blogger. No influencer, please. And I'm going to get rid of these ones. If I get rid of these ones, I'm going to wear the better quality ones now. So that's the reason as well, the same reason why I get rid of this one, which is also, I have had it for years, washed it for years. It's like not the same one, really loose, all the things, and the closet just looks a little bit cleaner, even though it's not like a lot of things, but still, I'm going to show you, okay? This is how it looks like now. Write in the comments how long it's going to stay like this. 1 day, 2 days, 1 week. I don't know if it happens with you, but the folding clothes, it just gets all messy really soon. I don't know if it's the same for you. These are the bottoms. We already went over the bottoms. I did buy new jeans and stuff since the video, and I threw out the old ones. Also, I'm going to do live, I don't know if on YouTube or TikTok. Follow me there, where I'm going to show you what I threw out and what I got rid of and all things and why. And here again, I have talked about all the dresses, blazers here. I just put my shirts here. And now I hanged this top as well. It just looks better, and it's not easy to fold it. It looks better like this. This is really me when I was like 15 or something. I remember my mom bought some really similar but even better blouse like this with these sleeves, like bell sleeves. It was like really in style, and I was like so obsessed with the top. I was like, oh, I loved it so much. So that's it for the video. If you have any requests, any questions about what you saw in this video, about Petite fashion in general, shopping, style guide, all the things, you can comment down below. Also check the description box, because I always share either some links or some discount codes, some gifts, some surprises, some digital products, everything that can help Petite women with shopping, with styling outfits, and so on and so forth. And thank you for being here. If you reach this point, you're the best of all the petites, the real one. And thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for being here. I will see you in the next video. Bye.